Hey all, long time since we last saw. Today we're gonna unbox this Oppo Reno 12 5G phone, and as the name suggests, it's a 5G phone. And let's cut this open. It's kind of interesting. You never get the play out of this. It's kind of funny. So let's go into it. Let's get the plastic out. And we are going through it. So speaking about the phone, it's a 5G enabled phone, and it has 50 megapixel on the rear main camera and 8 megapixel telephoto. Not bad for this, I guess. And a 2 megapixel macro, they say. And it has 5000 mAh of So we are finally though we are getting to open this phone finally. So let's see what's in it. So firstly we have the phone in here. Let's put it aside for the moment and let's see what else comes in the box. Come on. It comes in this silver kind of color. I will show you that later. And let's see what else comes in the box. So we do get a TPU case finally. Still a TPU case, and we have the 80-watt charging adapter and the cable to type C to type C. Great, we still have that in the box. So that's, and we also get a SIM ejector tool that's somewhere here. So that's all we get in the box. So let's see what the phone looks like. Let's open the phone. So that was actually a funny part to this phone, and I'll show it to you. So it have the display is curved at the sides, and it's a silver finish with a few wavy kind of that changes color according to the light, like not changing color, like you know. So we have the charging port at the bottom, and we have a few holes here. And it's kind of confusing which one is the which one is for the SIM slot